unattractive. A grown man acting like a shy child. And let me say that you're actually being seen as indifferent and odd. And this can have negative effects on your confidence and self-esteem. Like the fellow here says, I suck at everything I do. It is very common for a person who suffers from shyness and social anxiety to also suffer from depression. This snowballs into other things. There are people who work jobs less than their skill set and living a life less than they actually deserve, all because they're too shy. People who suffer from shyness may find it difficult to step outside their comfort zone. For example, getting a raise, stepping up to your boss, being more assertive at work, right? Yeah. However, there are many ways, though, that we can get over this problem of shyness, and many positive things will happen when you do overcome your shyness. And I'm a living testament of that. Let me say that in this day and age, networking is a very useful skill to have, the actual skill of networking. This skill can help you meet people, and it can be a real good benefit when it comes to getting the job you want. Meeting new people can help you advance in your career so well. It can also help you in the romantic areas of your lives as well, once you start learning to overcome your shyness. And now you probably notice that people who do not suffer from shyness tend to have more friends and better opportunities, right? As human beings, one of the essential needs is to connect with other people. That's what a normal human being does. He connects with other people. When we're shy, we kind of lock that up. We become odd. We become seen as indifferent. It's not cute. Like I thought I was being cute, being shy, and being demure. No, it's not seen that way, okay? It has been established that those who are able to establish a connection with others are less apt to also suffer from mental illnesses. Yeah, and being able to connect with others also allows you to live a more fulfilled life. You can have happiness, you can have friends, you can do social activities. You're more adjusted, so you have more fun instead of suffering in your lonely rooms by yourselves. In my opinion, one of the greatest benefits of overcoming shyness and social anxiety is the increase in your overall self-esteem, because you feel good. You feel proud of yourself when you overcome it. I did it, and I felt great. People who do not suffer